Well, hello there. I'm happy you're here because we're going to have another Fingerspell Friday practice. You know I love it. This month's theme is December holidays continued. Remember, 2 weeks ago we had December holidays also. Now, what are you going to do? I'm going to fingerspell 10 words for you. Each word is going to have a normal speed, slow speed English word that you're going to see, and then the normal speed one more time. Okay, let's go. We're done. If you want to continue practicing today, I have Fingerspelling practice worksheet down below for you that you can download for free and use to practice so you can look at the words and practice each one. Also, I have many other practice videos and other worksheets that you can use and watch as well. Okay, so let me know if you did good, bad, you struggled, or it was super successful and easy for you. Let me know. Thank you again again, I'm so happy. Have a happy holidays. Enjoy the season of fun and celebration, family, friends, eating. Okay, I'll see you later. Bye.